In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change storefront fonts fast and easy. Whether you're aiming to give your site a fresh and modern look, or simply personalize it to match your brand identity, changing your storefront fonts is one of the quickest ways to make a big impact. The first thing you need to do is head over to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll see a variety of options and settings available to you. This is where the magic begins. Navigate your mouse over to the left side of your screen and look for the Appearance option. Go ahead and click on it. The Appearance section is essentially your gateway to all the theme customization options that WordPress has to offer. Next, you'll find the Customize option. Clicking this will open up a plethora of customization tools that will allow you to tweak and adjust various elements of your website. The interface might feel a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry. Just focus on finding the Typography option, which shouldn't be too hard to spot. This section is key because it's where you'll make all the changes related to your fonts. Once you've clicked on Typography, depending on the version of your storefront theme, you might see a few different options. Usually, you'll find customizable settings for things like your site title, headings, and body text. This is where you can really let your creativity shine. Want larger headings? Prefer a sleeker, sans-serif font for your body text? This is the perfect place to experiment and see what fits best with your site's design. If you're unsure about what looks best, a good tip is to try matching your fonts with the overall theme and color scheme of your site for a cohesive look. Now that you've made your font selections and adjustments, it's important to preview these changes. Make sure you're happy with how everything looks and feels. If everything looks good and you're ready to go live with your changes, you'll find a Publish button, usually located at the top of your screen. Clicking this will apply all your modifications and push them to your live site. And just like that, your storefront sports a fresh new typographic look. Remember, tweaking your fonts is more than a cosmetic change. It's a way to enhance readability and improve the overall user experience on your site. So take your time experimenting with different styles until you find the perfect match. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to spruce up your WordPress site.